हेलो एवरीवन। सो जेई की सीरीज में हम आज डिस्कस कर रहे हैं सबसेट, सुपरसेट एंड पावर सेट टॉपिक को। ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन हमारे पास डेफिनेशन है सबसेट एंड सुपरसेट। ओके, so if we are saying we have two sets A and B, okay, if every element of set A is element of set B, okay, then A is called subset of B. Okay, then A is called subset of B, or B is called superset of A. For example, suppose we have a set A with element 1 2 3 4 एंड B हमारे पास एक सेट है विथ एलिमेंट 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6। ओके, यानी कि यहाँ पे मेरे को ये दिख रहा है कि एलिमेंट्स ऑफ A इज कमिंग फ्रॉम सेट B, एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट A इज कमिंग फ्रॉम सेट B, which means we can say कि A is subset of B. Okay, A is our subset of B and B is what? B is called superset. Basic meaning is what? We have to choose element from set B. Okay, now if we are going to choose element from set B, we will get subsets. How we can choose these elements? Let me take one example on this. Okay, how we can choose these elements? So suppose we have a set B, in that we have element 1 2 3 and 4. So I can choose one element from this one. I can zero element also I can choose. So if I'm going to choose zero element, so that is our 5. Okay, we can choose one element also. So if I'm going to choose one element, I'll get like 1 2 3 and 4. Similarly, I can choose two elements also. Okay, two elements we can choose. If I'm going to choose two elements, I'll get 1 comma 2 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 and so on. Okay, similarly we can choose what? Three elements also we can choose. If I'm going to choose three elements, I'll get 1 comma 2 comma 3 1 comma 3 1 comma 2 comma 4. Okay, 1 comma 3 comma 4 and so on. Similarly we can choose what? Four elements. Okay, we can choose four elements also. Four elements means we'll get 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. यानी कि two things we observe कि if we are going to make subsets, always we will get 5 and the set itself. So 2 points we will write in the term of note. The first point is क्या आपका पास 5 is subset of every set. Okay, 5 is subset of every set. And second point is what? A set is subset of itself. Okay, a set is subset of itself. I hope this thing is clear कि set subset is what and superset is what. Superset is what? From where we are going to choose elements. Okay, and whatever elements we are going to choose, these are called subset. Okay, so if two sets we have, if every element of set A is coming from set B, that means A is our subset and B is our superset. Okay, now if I have to write subset of 1 comma 2, I told you that two things we have to write. The 5 is subset of every set and a subset is, or a set is subset of itself. Okay, two things we have to write. The 5 is subset of every set. That means first element, yeah, first subset, if I'm going to write for this 1 comma 2, I'll get 5. Okay, like we are selecting 0 elements. Then we will select one element. So if I'm going to select one element, I'll get 1 and 2. And at the end we will choose what? Two elements. So if we are going to choose two elements, we are getting 1 comma 2 as a set. Okay, so 5 is subset of every set and a set is subset of itself. Okay, if we have three elements in a set or we have to write subset of that, which means answer is what? First one we will choose 0 element, that is 5. अब यहाँ पे मैं choose करता हूँ 1 element. So 1 element if I'm going to choose, I'll get curly bracket of A, curly bracket of B, and curly bracket of C. Then we will choose 2 elements, which means we are getting A comma B, A comma C, okay, and B comma C. Further there is no possibility, because in elements को आप कैसे भी लिख सकते हो, B comma A also possible, A comma B also possible, though both are same, A comma B and B comma A, okay ना? And last one we will choose 3 elements. So if we are going to choose 3 elements, we will get A comma B comma C, okay. We are getting A comma B comma C. These are the subsets. Let's take one more example, okay. If we have a set A with element A 1 and 2, okay, A 1 and 2. So again we will select 0 element, yani ki 5. Then we are going to select 1 element, that means 1, 2 and A itself, okay. Then we will choose 2 elements. So यहाँ पे यदि मैं 2 elements को choose करता हूँ तो मेरे पास आएगा A, 1, okay, 1, 2 and 2, A. And lastly we will choose all 3 elements, which means we are getting 1, A, 1, 2. So these are the subsets of set A, okay. नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट आता है कि नंबर ऑफ सबसेट ऑफ ए सेट. देखो यहाँ पे यदि मैं काउंट करता हूँ नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, है ना, या नंबर ऑफ सबसेट, सो आई गॉट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 8 we are getting. In this one also we are getting 8 subsets, okay, and here we are getting 4 subsets, which means we can say we are getting, suppose number of elements we have 3, we are getting 2 power 3 as 8. If number of element we have 2, that means 2 power 2 we are getting as 4, okay. The formula is what? 2 power n actually we are getting, okay, the pattern. So number of subset of set A we will write likewise ki let number of element in set A is equal to m, then number of subset of A is 2 power m, okay. Number of subset of A is 2 power m, and from this concept we have question in 2022, okay. Based on this we have a question in our JEE Mains 2020, okay. One question we got in JEE Mains 2020, okay. छोटा सा एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. हम कहते हैं यहाँ पे कि ओके वी हैव ए सेट A, in that element we have 1 2 3 4, then number of subset of A. So our answer is what? 2 power 4, which is equal to 16, okay. 2 power 4 which is equal to 16, okay. Moving towards the next definition. Next definition हमारे पास है proper subset, okay. A proper subset is what? Proper subset says कि the set itself we are not including in the subset part, okay. Meaning is what? कि if I'm going to write subsets, we know that A is equal to, if we have 1 2, subsets are what? Subsets we are getting 5, 1, 2 and 1 2. So if I have to write proper subset, so proper subset is nothing but 5, 1 and 2. No need to include 1 2. That's why I wrote here that subset A is not equal to B. If A is subset of B, then A is not equal to B. Okay, no need to include set itself. Okay, set itself not included. Okay, the set itself not included, we will get proper subset. Okay, next definition we have improper subset. Okay, so improper subset means what? The set itself we have to include also, like we can say total number of subsets. Okay, whatever subsets are possible, all these subsets are called improper subset, whatever subsets are possible. So suppose let A we have a set, in that we have element 1 and 2. If I'm going to write subsets, I'll get 5, 1, 2 and 1 comma 2. So this one is our improper. Okay, where A is also equal to B, yani ki the set itself is included. Okay, the set itself is included. Okay, the set itself is included. Now what are the symbols for the subset, improper subset and proper subset? Okay, so we are going with symbols now. In this one, if I have to represent A is subset of B, I will represent likewise. Okay, A is subset of B. Right now I don't know whether it is a proper or improper. So if I have proper subset, which means A is subset of B. Okay, ये तो आपका जनरल सिंबल है that we have to use for subset. Proper subset यानी कि A is subset of B. Improper means we will use likewise A is subset and equal to B. Okay, A is subset as well as equal to B. That is our symbol of improper subset. Okay, so we got the subset symbol likewise. Okay, that is our subset symbol. If we are going with proper we will use A is subset of B. That is our proper. And improper is what? A is subset as well as equal to B. Okay, मूव करते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे. क्वेश्चन हमारे पास है कि राइट प्रॉपर एज वेल एज इम्प्रॉपर सबसेट of set A, that is 1, 2, 3. So first step, if I'm going to write proper subset, so I know that ki in the proper subset A is not equal to B, or otherwise you can write ki that set A itself not included. Okay, the set itself not included, which means we got what? 5, 1, 2, 3 with 2 elements, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 1. That is our proper subset. Okay, and if I have to write improper subset, तो यहाँ पे improper subset क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास? 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 1, and the set itself also. Okay, the set itself also we have to include, which means we are getting 1, 2, 3. Okay, now आपके पास एक चीज आती है कि number of proper subset and number of improper subset is what? Okay, number of proper and improper subset. Number of proper subset. If you are going to count number of proper subset, we are getting 7 here, right? Which means we will say कि 2 power n and minus of 1. Actual originally subsets are what? 2 power 3, यानी कि 2 power n 8, but we are getting 7, which means 8 minus 1 we have. So we will write number of proper subset is what? 2 power n minus 1, and number of improper subset. Number of improper subset we are getting 2 power n only. Okay. Number of proper subset 2 power n minus 1, and number of improper subset is what? 2 power n we are getting. Okay. Remember these formulas also. Number of subset is what? 2 power n. Moving towards with JEE Mains 2020 questions. Question says set A we have with element m. Okay. Whatever information we are getting, please write that one. And number of element in set A we have m. Okay. And number of element in set B we are getting n. Okay. Here given in the set A we have m element, or in the set B we have n elements. If total number of subsets, okay, so they are talking about subsets, which means subset of this one is what? Subset of A we are getting 2 power m, and subset of B, that we will get 2 power n. Now information is given, if total number of subset of A is 112 more than the total number of subset of B, which means difference of 2 power m minus 2 power n is what? 112. Okay. 2 power m minus 2 power n is equal to 112. If the total number of subset of A is 112 more than the total number of subset of B, which means 2 power m minus 2 power n is equal to 112 we are getting. Okay. अब फर्स्ट मेथड है कि आप हिट एंड ट्रायल यूज कर लो, है ना, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वैल्यूज ऑफ m and वी विल सब्स्टिट्यूट एंड वी विल गेट अवर आंसर. अदरवाइज इसके आप फैक्टराइज करो 112 के. So 28, then we are getting 14 and 7. Okay, that means we can write this 2 power m minus 2 power n as 2 power 4 multiply with 7. Okay, if I'm going to take 2 power n common from this one, I will get 2 power m minus n, and minus of 1 is equal to 2 power 4, or this 7 we can write what? 2 cube minus 1. Same format we are getting, which means by comparing both sides, we can say n is equal to 4 and m minus n is equal to 3, which means m is equal to 7. Okay, m value we have 7 and n value we have 4. They are asking m multiply with n, which means 7 multiply with 4 is 28. So 28 is our correct answer for this question. Okay, JEE Mains 2020 का क्वेश्चन है, इजी क्वेश्चन था, कोई इतना टफ भी नहीं था. ओके, इजीली वी कैन कैलकुलेट दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, नेक्स्ट आपके पास हेडिंग आती है पावर सेट ऑफ ए सेट. ओके, अब हाउ टू फाइंड पावर सेट, या व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ पावर सेट. सो पावर सेट डेफिनेशन इज व्हाट? A set of all subset of a set A. Okay, power set is what? Set of all subset, यानी कि steps to find power set. Okay, first one set A we have, then second one we will find subset of A, and third step curly bracket all the subset of A. Okay, na? So this one is our power set. Power set is denoted by PA. Okay, na? Power set of A is denoted by PA. Okay, steps are what? First one, we have to write subset of A. Whatever subsets we are getting, enclose them in curly bracket. Okay, let's take one example. Suppose we have a set A with element 1 comma 2. Okay, or they are saying ki find power set of A. So first step we will find subset of A. So subset we are getting 5, 1, 2 and 1 comma 2. Second step, I told you that enclose all the subset in curly bracket, which means we are getting curly bracket of 5, 1, 2, 1 comma 2. Okay, so this one is our power set of A. Okay, this one is our power set of A. Okay, then next question आता है कि number of element in power set of A is what? Okay, number of element in power set of A. तो ये तो सिंपल सा आप सबको पता चल गया होगा कि वॉट एवर नंबर ऑफ सबसेट्स वी हैव दैट सेम वी हैव नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट ऑफ पावर सेट. ओके, क्योंकि देखो यहाँ पे अपन कर क्या रहे हैं, हम करली ब्रैकेट यूज कर रहे हैं किसके लिए, सबसेट के लिए. यानी कि जो नंबर ऑफ सबसेट्स है वही अपने पास क्या है, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन पावर सेट ऑफ ए है. ओके, सो दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 पावर एन ओनली. ओके, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन पावर सेट ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू 2 पावर एन. बट यहाँ पे एक इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट यूज होता है, और वो इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन पावर सेट ऑफ ए. ओके, तो यहाँ पे देखो इस चीज को यदि आपको समझना है तो हम इस तरह से चल सकते हैं. फर्स्ट वन हमारे पास सेट ए है. इफ आई एम गोइंग टू फाइंड पावर सेट ऑफ ए, आई विल गेट 2 पावर, सपोज नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन ए वी हैव m. Okay, first one, number of element in power set of A we are getting what, 2 power n. Okay, they are saying ki take the power set of this one. We have to take power set of this one, which means we have to create subsets of 2 power m. Okay, power set of A, which means subset of power set of A. Okay ना, subset of power set of A. Or in the power set of A we have 2 power m element, which means 2 power m possibility we have. Okay, so number of element in power set of A is what, 2 power m. That means number of element in power set of A is what, 2 power m. So direct formula we will write this one, 2 power m. So if someone says ki number of element in power set of A, okay, number of element in power set of A, which means we got 2 power m. How to learn this one? If only one time p we have, that means 2 power m. If 2 times p we have, which means 2 power m. Okay, if 3 times we have, that means 2 power m. Okay, I think concept is clear. Concept क्या है, यदि मेरे को फाइंड करना है पावर सेट ऑफ A, which means I have to write first one, subset of A. Okay, then from this one I'm getting power set of A. Okay, then I will write subset of power set of A, then I will get power set of A. Okay, if further if we have power set of A, which means we will write subset of power set of A. Okay, तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट से भी कभी कभार क्वेश्चन आ सकता है ना, कि नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन पावर सेट ऑफ ए. यहाँ पे जो एक इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बनता है वो बनता है नल सेट के साथ. ओके, क्वेश्चन है कि इफ set A is equal to 5, then number of element in power set of A, first one, then one, number of element in power set of A. Okay, and third one, number of element in power set of A. Okay, if I'm going with first one, वहां पे number of element in power set of A. The number of element in power set of A is what? that is 2 power m. So in this case m is equal to what? 0, which means answer is what? 2 power 0, which is equal to 1. Okay, number of element in power set of A is what? 2 power m, which means 2 power 0, we are getting 2 power 1, which is equal to 2. Okay, and number of element in power set of A, okay, that we are getting 2 power m, yani ki 2 power 0, so 2 power 1, and 2 power 2 we are getting, which is equal to 4. okay, तो इस तरह से आपको इसका आंसर करना होगा। एक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन और आता है कि राइट द सबसेट ऑफ ए सेट 5. okay, write the subset of a set 5, यानी कि only one possibility we will get. So subset of 5 is what? Is 5 only. Subset of 5 is what? 5 only. Okay, subset of 5 is what? 5 only, because why? 2 power 0 subsets we will get. 2 power 0 means 1, and 1 is that 5 only. Okay, second question in this one, write the subset of set A of 5. okay, curly bracket of 5. अब curly bracket of 5 means one element we have in this one, यानी कि number of subsets if I'm going to count, I'll get 2 power 1, which is equal to 2 subsets. So I will write 5 itself and the set itself. Okay, so no need to enclose in curly bracket. I told you that 5 is subset of every set, and the set itself is a subset. So these are the two possibilities we will get in that case. Okay, question number 3. Write the subset of set A, that is 5 and curly bracket of 5. okay, enclose in curly bracket. A set A we have with element 5 and curly bracket of 5, which means our answer is what? In this one we have two elements. Okay, two elements we have. Two elements, which means 2 power 2, and 4 subsets we will get. A 4 subset is what? Of those who are not getting directly, they can replace these as element A and element B. So we know that 5, then we will get element A, then element B, and now both the elements A and B, which means we are getting 5 curly bracket of 5 curly bracket of 5, and then 5 and curly bracket of 5. okay, so these are the subsets possible for 5 comma curly bracket of 5. okay, so in the next class we will discuss operations on set. okay,